Experiencing frequent Starlink disconnections? You're not alone. As of 2025, most Starlink connectivity issues can be traced back to three primary causes, and fortunately, many can be resolved with simple troubleshooting steps. The first major cause of Starlink disconnections is obstructions. These can be dynamic obstructions like trees and vegetation that change with seasons, static obstructions like buildings and structures, or weather-related interference, such as heavy rain, snow, or ice accumulation on the dish. The second major cause involves dish alignment problems. Starlink dishes automatically adjust their position, but mechanical issues can prevent proper alignment. This includes motorized positioning failures, unstable or loose mounting systems, initial calibration errors during setup, or movement after installation. The third major cause is Wi-Fi and network issues. These often stem from router overheating, particularly in enclosed spaces or high-temperature environments, interference from other devices operating on similar frequencies, outdated router firmware, or conflicts between connected devices. Now let's look at three immediate troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve most Starlink disconnection issues quickly and effectively. First, check the Starlink mobile app for known outages in your area. Review the obstruction map for new interference sources. Verify your dish status and alignment, and look for any system alerts or notifications that might explain the disconnections. Second, perform a complete power cycle sequence. Unplug the Starlink router for 30 seconds, then unplug the dish power supply for 30 seconds. Reconnect the dish first and wait 2 minutes, then reconnect the router and wait 5 to 10 minutes for full startup. Finally, perform a thorough physical inspection. Check all cable connections for looseness or damage. Inspect the dish surface for snow, ice, or debris accumulation. Verify that the mounting system is stable and secure, and look for any new obstructions that may have appeared in the dish's field of view. These three troubleshooting steps can resolve approximately 80% of common Starlink disconnection issues. If problems persist after trying these solutions, you may need to consider more advanced troubleshooting or professional assistance. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Starlink disconnection issues, it's time to move to advanced solutions. We'll explore sophisticated troubleshooting techniques and establish a preventive maintenance routine to keep your connection stable. Advanced obstruction troubleshooting starts with the Starlink app's Obstruction Viewer. This powerful tool provides a detailed map showing exactly where obstructions are blocking your satellite signal. For vegetation obstructions, trim trees and bushes within the dish's field of view. This typically covers a 100-degree cone above the dish. If trimming isn't possible, consider relocating the dish to a higher position with clearer sky access. Wi-Fi optimization requires multiple approaches. Start by updating your router firmware through the Starlink app. Then analyze your Wi-Fi environment to identify the best channels and placement strategies. Channel optimization is crucial for avoiding interference. The 2.4 GHz band has overlapping channels, so use channels 1, 6, or 11 for best performance. Enable band steering to automatically switch devices between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Preventive maintenance is essential for long-term reliability. Establish monthly and seasonal maintenance routines to prevent issues before they cause disconnections. Seasonal maintenance varies by time of year. Spring requires vegetation trimming, summer needs overheating monitoring, fall preparation for leaf coverage, and winter planning for snow removal and heating elements. Sometimes, professional service is necessary. Contact Starlink support or a certified installer if you experience persistent disconnections after troubleshooting, physical equipment damage, mounting instability, or complex obstruction issues requiring dish relocation. By implementing these advanced troubleshooting techniques and maintaining a regular preventive maintenance schedule, you can significantly reduce Starlink disconnections and ensure optimal performance year-round.